Hey guys, welcome to another video of Stock Market Solutions. So today's video is going to be actually something new. It's going to be a tour of my office. I will show you exactly what setup I have. So let's start. So this is where I spend 90% of my time in this room. This is my office. This is where I trade, I make money. This is where I play video games. This is where I do almost everything. So honestly, guys, when you start trading, you don't need everything here. You don't need half of this, but I'm gonna go through everything. So let's start with my computer. So I have like a 16 gig of RAM in this one. It's an i7 with 16 gig of RAM. I don't know which graphic card I have here, but I have one. I think I have like 1 tera for the space, but I don't know what's inside. It's actually my brother that built it for me. So it's a really simple computer. There's a lot of stuff going behind the desk. There's a lot of cable management that I have to do. Anyway, so let's go with the desk. So this is actually a really big desk. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this is huge, guys. This desk is, I did build it myself on the top, but the base, I went to IKEA just to show you something, how big this desk is. So I have my controller here anyways. So the reason why I need a big desk is because of my screen. So my main screen, we're gonna go through that after. So it's the support here. The support here, it's around 500 or 600. And I decided to just buy a piece of wood. I did paint it myself like a gray matte. So I love this color. So yeah, guys, I needed something really big because I have a lot of stuff going on. And another reason, guys, I'm pretty sure you guessed it, I can adjust my desk. I can put it higher, lower. One thing I'm gonna go through, you don't see any chair right now because when I'm about to trade and when I'm trading, I always stand up. I never sit on a chair because I think I'm more productive when I'm standing and not just sitting on the chair. So this is the reason. Like I said, there's a lot of cable that I have to work on, find a solution. But anyways, so let's go with my mic. So this is a Blue Yeti mic. It's my new mic. It's one of the best mic on the market. I did buy this stand for like $40, I think, on Amazon. So it's perfect. It's fixed with my desk. So this is perfect for me. After that, I have a Corsair keyboard. I'm gonna show you something just to show you why I love this keyboard. So I'm just writing some stuff. I want you to hear the sound. So I love the noise of this keyboard, I mean. I don't know, I just love it. I have two speakers of Logitech around like $20. Not a big deal. I have another computer. I have my laptop MacBook Pro here. Okay, so what's the reason is not just to make it pretty, but the reason is simple, guys. Is in case if anything happened with my main computer, I have a backup. I can just log in Trade Zero and exit off my position. If I have no internet or anything, I can connect my cell phone to my laptop. Like this, I can just exit my position. So that's why I always have it open. When I'm trading, sometimes I watch movies because I'm waiting for a trade or I'm waiting for a setup. So I will watch movies here. So that's why I have my laptop open always. After that, I have the first screen. It's a BenQ. It's BenQ 24-inch, I think, something like this. Nothing fancy. I think it's around like $150. So this is my first actually monitor that I decided to trade with. So I decided to just keep it because there's a lot of stuff going on that I need to monitor. And after that, I have, I think for me personally, one of the most beautiful monitor in the market. So it's a 48, sorry, it's a 48 wide monitor Samsung. I think it's actually ultra wide, I don't know, but this monitor, guys, it's wow, nothing to say. It's really, but really big. It's curved. You can see the curve here. So you can see how big this monitor is. And the reason is simple. So I'm gonna go through what's inside of the monitor. Like this, you can have an idea. So first thing, I'm always looking at 3 ticker at the same time. So I have one here, and my main one that you see on YouTube. So the first one, example, this one is Tesla. So I have a level 2, I have a 1 minute and a 5 minute chart looking at the same time, okay? On the right. Under that, I have another one is GME right now that is gapping up 55%. So another ticker that I'm looking today, it's 901. So I'm almost, it's almost time to trade. So I have a 1 minute here and a 5 minute. So this is what I have. You can see that I only have the VWAP, the blue line here. It's the VWAP, 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 VWAP. I don't have a 20 or 200 moving average in this part because I'm keeping this section really clean. Like this, if I see something, I can just bring it to my main screen. So this is my main screen. So you can see I have Boeing right now here. So this is where I trade. This is where I record myself trading. So I have my 1 minute, you know that. I have my 5 minute, I have my PNL, I have my watch list, my main watch list, like the stock that I always keep an eye on. And I have for my small account challenge, I have a small watch list here. And I have level 2 linked to the same charts. The reason is simple, guys. Like I said previously in my videos, is I keep one to enter and one to exit. So this is the reason. And what I have on my 5 minute, you can see here, I have like my VWAP and a 200 moving average. That's it. So really simple, really clean. So 200 moving average and VWAP, that's it, that's all. After that, we can go on my BenQ monitor. So everything that is in white, guys, it's linked together. So it's on my main stock that I'm looking, so everything is linked together. So I also have the 15 minutes here. So I like the 15 minutes time frame because it gives me an idea where the stock want to go if I want to stay a little bit longer in the market. And you have to keep the daily chart to know exactly where's the previous resistance and support. After that, I have that. A lot of you guys don't use that. It's the S&P 500. I use it as an indicator that gives me an idea where the market is going because Boeing, Tesla, they follow the market. So that gives me an idea. This do not apply to like small penny stocks on under $10. Anyways, this is the 500, S&P 500, but on the 5 minute time frame. And I have where I locate some shares here. So basically this is where everything happened, guys. This is where everything, like every video that I make is here. Do you need everything here? No. Honestly, you can just start with a laptop and after that with one monitor and after that with this. So I don't know what's the price right now for this monitor, but when I decided to buy it, it was like around 1600 Canadian. So yeah, so have a good one, guys. If you have any comments, you can always leave them and don't forget to drop a like, guys. Ciao.